Hello, welcome to the Motown India show. My name is Roy P. Tharian. Here is a Mini, that's a Maxi. In fact, I'm calling it the Maxi because it's got a lot of space, very unlike the Mini which we drove recently. And this one is actually the Mini Countryman. And this variant is the Mini Countryman Cooper S, JCW inspired. JCW stands for John Cooper Works. And I'm going to take it for a drive, so stay tuned. Unlike the conventional Mini Cooper S three-door convertible we drove earlier, the Mini Countryman Cooper S JCW-inspired variant is a full-fledged four-door car which can seat 5 adults comfortably, has decent luggage space, and yet has the chic Mini tag attached to its name. The Mini Countryman comes in 3 variants. We got the Cooper S JCW-inspired petrol variant for a review. The Cooper S JCW-inspired is powered by a petrol 1998cc 4-cylinder engine that produces around 192 horsepower and a peak torque of 280 Newton meters with a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in flat 7.5 seconds. The British racing green color is offered exclusively for the Mini Countryman Cooper S JCW inspired. Now let me talk about some of its cool features. The car is equipped with John Cooper Works AERODYNAMIC kit, which is basically a rear roof spoiler and smart 18-inch JCW thrill-spoke alloy wheels. The car has a British racing green color with white roof, mirror caps and bonnet stripes in white. The car has LED headlights, LED fog lights, rear fog lights, chrome-plated double exhaust tailpipe finisher, roof rails, and not to miss a panorama glass roof. The roof rails are in satin finish aluminium. The car has silver-colored side sill tops. The distinctive, slightly asymmetrical rounded contour of the LED headlamp together with the radiator grille produces a smart front view. The third cool feature is that this car also comes with comfort access system, which in essence means that it puts an end to searching for car keys in your trouser pockets, jackets or handbags. All you have to do is to approach the Mini, open the door and press the start button. This is Mini way of explaining the keyless entry feature. The fourth cool factor is the all-new Mini Countryman is some 20 cm longer than its predecessor and approximately 3 cm wider. Its wheelbase has been extended by 7.5 cm. This growth has resulted in increased seating space for 5 adults. Coming to the fifth feature, using the cargo function, boot capacity can be increased from 450 liters to 1,309 liters by folding down the rear back crest with 40-20-40 split. This constitutes a maximum increase of 220 liters as compared to the predecessor model. The boot can be opened and closed just by waving your foot under the rear fender. The sixth cool factor is that there is a picnic bench which, once put out, keeps the fender covered and also has space for you and your loved one to cozy up without spoiling your clothes. We find this the coolest of all the cool functions. The seventh factor is that the steering wheel can be adjusted for rake and reach. For the driver, there is a smart head-up display, driver assistant systems including cruise control, park assistant and rear view camera. The eighth factor is that the luxury and utility inside include leather cross-punch sports seats, 2-zone automatic air conditioning, center armrest for front and rear, Harman Kardon hi-fi speaker system, Mini fine-made and Mini wired package. The sports seats for the driver and the front passenger can be adjusted for height, and there are electric seat adjustments with memory functions. The Mini wired package includes navigation system, professional and Mini connected XL 8.8-inch screen with touch controller and Bluetooth mobile connectivity. The iconic circular central instrument panel is surrounded by an LED ring offering a brilliant color display in 8.8 inches touchscreen. The intuitive use is complemented by the controller on the middle console for easy operation of multimedia, phone and car functions. The ninth factor is that the Mini driving modes enable an individualized vehicle setup. In addition to the standard MID mode, there is a choice of sport and green mode. Coming to the 10th cool factor, driving is fun with the auto start-stop function, brake energy recuperation, active cooling, air flaps and electromechanical power steering. The 8-speed sports automatic Steptronic transmission in the Mini Countryman Cooper S JCW, inspired with paddle shifters, makes for a very sporty drive. The 11th factor, safety has not been compromised in this car as it comes with front and passenger airbags. Then there are features like brake assist, 3-point seat belts, dynamic stability control, crash sensor, anti-lock braking system, cornering brake control and run flat tires as standard.
I hope you have seriously liked this Motown India video of the Mini Countryman Cooper S JCW inspired. If you have, do not forget to like and share, and most important, if you have not subscribed to the Motown India channel, do so now. And remember, if you want that notification regularly from us, press the bell icon. And whenever you're driving or you're being driven in a car, do not forget to belt up.